This stunning family home is situated in Midlands Estate. Midlands Estate is part of the secure Midstream Estate that features its own schools, shopping malls, and amenities. Midstream Estate is ideally located in Centurion and is close to all major routes and other amenities. Midlands Estate also offers a clubhouse with an indoor pool and several outdoor activities, making this the perfect estate for an active family. This home offers stylish open-plan living. The living area consists of a lounge, dining area and kitchen and flows out onto a patio. The living area features exquisite fixtures and finishes such as the beautiful floor tiles and elegant downlighters. The lounge and dining room share a fireplace, which provides a warm and cozy atmosphere on those chilly winter nights. The modern kitchen features granite tops and cherry wood cupboards. There is ample cupboard and worktop space, a gas stove and hob combination, double eye-level oven and separate scullery with room for all major appliances. There is a spacious guest bedroom located downstairs featuring beautiful laminated wood flooring and built-in cupboards. This bedroom is serviced by a dedicated guest bathroom with exclusive finishes. Located upstairs, there is a spacious tiled pajama lounge and study area. The main bedrooms are also located upstairs. The bedrooms are well proportioned and feature built-in cupboards and beautiful laminated wood flooring. Servicing the bedrooms, there is a standalone bathroom with exquisite finishes. The bathroom features a bath, shower, twin vanity with granite top, and toilet. The main bedroom is spacious and features a walk-in closet and elegant ensuite bathroom. The main ensuite has exquisite fixtures and finishes and features a bath, shower, twin vanity with granite top and toilet. Outside, there is a covered patio leading to the paved entertainment area hosting a sparkling swimming pool. The entertainment area leads to the beautiful, well-manicured garden. Be sure to come and view all this magnificent property has to offer and make it your own.